Once upon a time, in the middle of a deep forest, there was a small cottage hidden among the tall trees. In that cottage lived an old woman with 3 young girls. All 3 were very beautiful, but the youngest was the most beautiful of all. The old woman made them work from morning till late at night. She made them spin golden thread into the finest and rarest yarn. As soon as one spindle was finished, she handed them another so they would never get a moment's rest. The thread had to be flawless and shining,